Many retail companies have locations dispersed all over the country, even the world. And like most, many face the challenge of maintaining operational efficiency by ensuring that their point-of-service devices and applications perform at optimal levels. AIOps from Broadcom is a machine learning-driven, advanced analytics solution designed to help IT operations teams deliver a phenomenal user experience. Our service analytics dashboards provides a holistic view of all the services that are being delivered to the business while providing insight into the health and potential risks of any service outage. In this scenario, we can see a degradation of health on the Retail Site 2 service. On the Service Analytics Details page, we can see some history around health and risk. The health of this service has dropped dramatically while risk has increased. The risk severity value ranges from 0 to 4, with 4 indicating that the probability of this service not being available is high. The solution delivers alarm noise reduction, intelligently correlating raw alarms and anomalies into one service alarm to help operations quickly focus on the problem at hand instead of sifting through hundreds if not thousands of raw alarms. The topology view is a graphical representation of the relationship among services and its sub-services that support them. In drilling into the topology for Retail Site 2, we notice all devices for this retail site are affected. Let's drill into the service alarm. A service alarm is intelligently correlated from many raw alarms that are automatically triggered when an outage occurs, identified by the time it occurred and also its root cause. In this case, the service alarm is management agent lost. It seems that these point-of-service devices are available on the network, but network monitoring visibility has been lost to these devices. Expanding the alarm provides additional alarm details such as when the alarm occurred, how long did it last occurrence, and how many services affected by this one issue, as well as noise reduction for the service alarm. AIOps from Broadcom enables automation capabilities for executing network remediation jobs. And with the automated remediation, we see the alarms have cleared, monitoring visibility has been reestablished, and the health of our retail service is restored.